Hello. 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 Hello.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will see a program on this. Okay. Suppose your return code like this: hash include stdio.h then function declaration, suppose integer sum, then semicolon, then int main, then integer c. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is there any query? Roll number 14.
Yes, sir.
Is there any query?
सर ते प्रॅक्टिकल एक्झामिनेशन आहे ना, त्यात आपल्याला सिलेबस मध्ये शिकवलेले आहेत ना जे पॉइंट्स,
हो.
त्यांचा वापर करून एखादा प्रोग्राम तयार करायचा आहे का आपल्याला शिकवले तेवढेच प्रोग्राम करायचे?
नाही, तुम्ही स्वतःचा पण करू शकता बरं का प्रोग्राम.
हा,
असं
चालतंय.
काही नाहीये. शिकवलेले त्याच्यापेक्षा बाहेरचं तुम्हाला स्वतःच येत असेल तरी करू शकता.
ओके सर, चालेल.
Okay, suppose you have declared a variable c and here called a function c is equal to sum semicolon, then your printf, your percentage c is equal to percentage d, then c, then return 0, okay, then go to the definition of function sum, that is integer sum. Here you are declaring three variables: integer p, q, r. Printf /n, enter any two numbers. Scanf, percentage d, and p and q, and r is equal to p plus q, and return r. then bracket complete. Okay, see here, you have declared a first your function declaration, then you have written main function. In main function you have called the function sum, then after returning, after writing main function you have written definition of sum function. Okay, we'll execute this code. Okay, here you will get first you have declared a function, then in main function you have called the sum function, then go to the definition and execute the function. So first output is enter any two numbers. Suppose you have entered these two numbers, so you will get output C is equal to 5. Here P is equal to 2, Q is equal to 3, and result R is equal to 5. So return R, that is return 5 to this statement C is equal to sum. Now C sum is equal to 5, then C is equal to 5, and that's why here you get the answer C is equal to 5. C, this is the program code and this is the output. If you have any query regarding this, please ask. Is there any query regarding this function?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is the simple program. This is the simple part. There are two types of function. First, call by value and call by reference. So here call by value. In previous program, we have written statement like C is equal to C is equal to sum and empty parenthesis. Okay, then we have written statement and first we have declared a integer sum. There are also no parentheses. Then we have written the definition of sum. Here also no parentheses. Okay, then we have written this definition of this sum. But in call by reference, sorry, call by value first we will see. So in call by value, we should have to pass the values to this function. Suppose I want to do addition of two numbers. Whenever you are declaring some function integer sum, then you are, whenever you are declaring this function, then you should have to declare which types of variable you are taking. कोणत्या डेटा टाइपचे तुम्ही व्हेरिएबल घेणार आहात त्या प्रकारचा डेटा टाइप इथं डिक्लेअर करावा लागतो. सपोज I want to take one float and one integer. Yes. Then suppose both integer, then you should to take both integer, whatever. So I want to addition of two numbers, out of them one float and one integer. So you should have to declare that data type here. Then at calling int main, Then in main, you should have to declare 3 variables, suppose A, B, C. Then printf, here you have written enter any 2 numbers. Enter 2 numbers. Then scanf, %d. Here I want to take one float number, so here I should have to declare float, suppose C. Result, addition of integer and float should be in, hello, addition of integer and integer result in
Float.
integer. Addition means arithmetic operation between integer and integer result in
integer,
integer. Arithmetic operation between float and integer
float,
result in,
Float.
float,
and arithmetic operation between float and float result in
Float.
float,
float. So here we are taking 2 inputs, that is one is float and one is integer. So result is in float.
Float.
Float A, suppose C. These 2 variables are taking and one integer, that is integer, suppose B. And then printf /n, enter any 2 numbers. Then scanf. Here first, suppose I want to take as a float, so %f, then %d. Then for float, variable is A here, and A and B for integer, and I want to take addition of this, so C is equal to, and through function calling, so sum, and pass the values, that is A comma B. So here in declaration, in function declaration, see in this, first declared as a float, so pass first value as a float and second value is integer, so pass second value of integer type. Okay, so go to the definition of this sum. Whenever you are going to the definition of sum or a definition of function definition, suppose at this side I will write, so integer sum, suppose float p, integer q. Okay, then here float r, then r is equal to p plus q, then return r, then bracket complete. See what is the value of p and what is the value of q. Here you have declared a float p and integer q. What is value of p and what is value of q? See in the last statement of this middle column, c is equal to sum a b. So value of a here is float p is equal to a. Value of a is stored in p, and integer q is equal to b. Value of b is stored in q. So whatever the value entered in main of a and b is stored in p and q in function definition. So that's why suppose you have entered p is equal to 2.5 q is equal to suppose 2, and that's why we are getting r is equal to 4.5. So return r, return 4.5, and so returning this value to this statement, c is equal to sum a b. So c is equal to 4.5. So here next statement after this, printf c is equal to percentage d percentage f. So after this statement will be printf slash n percentage f, c is equal to percentage f, then c, then get ch, then that complete. Okay, this is called by value. Okay, we are passing the values to the function. Okay, समजलंय? कोड समजलाय का? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will see program code on this. So see in this program, here we are passing integer, suppose integer sum, and we are passing both values as integer, comma, so you are declaring a sum function with two integer parameters. So integer sum int, comma, int. Then here integer, suppose abc. So below this, printf slash n, enter two numbers, scanf, percentage d, and a and b. Then here you are declared a c is equal to sum. So pass the values here, a, comma, b. So go to the definition, integer sum. Here suppose you are declared a two variables, integer p, comma, integer q. So here one variable r. So then your integer r is equal to p plus q, return r, and go to this definition of this, c is equal to ab. So pass the value. After passing, you will get result. Then c is equal to r. Then print f c. We will see the output of this code. So enter any two numbers. Suppose you entered two numbers are 2, 3. You will get result 5. Okay. See the code and output carefully. Is there any query?
No, sir.